So today is Ask Away Wednesday, where we answer your top questions around data governance, data security, and ALTR. My name is Kate McCarter. I am the head of product here at ALTR, and I'm joined by Carl Wolf, who is our senior product manager. Today's question is, why is extensibility important in product design?
Yeah, today we'll talk about how it's super important to give customers, especially in B2B environments, tools to customize a software application to meet their needs. For instance, ALTR does this through API access, extension functions, and a whole lot more to ensure that our customers are set up for success, no matter what their use case is.
Yeah, although almost every company harnessing data has governance, privacy, and security concerns, we found that everyone has individual needs when it comes to how their policy actually functions. But there's a lot of overlap in the basics.
Yeah, so for instance, at ALTR, we spent a lot of time ensuring that our onboarding and configuration experience is excellent, because that's the same thing that every single one of our users has to go through when setting up and getting value out of our platform.
Yeah, and then it's important to architect those core features in a way that enables users to customize them to their needs. For instance, our core governance engine on Snowflake really marries the SaaS-based governance engine with Snowflake's dynamic data masking policies. And that really enables some really cool functionality around data masking, tokenization, and even setting rules on how much data the users can actually access.
Right, and on top of that core functionality and experience, we offer various points where users can customize our governance behavior on top of that core functionality to best meet the specific needs of their business. We also offer a fully featured API that enables our clients to customize the behavior of ALTR itself. Anything you can do in our UI is also available in our API, and lots of folks use this to customize ALTR for their specific data workflows. For instance, we've had some customers integrate us into their ETL tools, data catalogs, and we're even integrated with a payroll system.
Yeah, and here's an example for another one of our customizations. One of our customers has a problem masking PII data for the marketing team, and particularly email addresses. So they have downstream reporting application that's consuming, the email addresses from Snowflake, but they don't want it to have access to the raw data. Still though, they have this particular format that the reports need to take. And so they were able to use our Snowflake extension functions to customize the masking behavior and ensure that they were actually able to control access to that sensitive data without breaking their reports.
Right. And we have another use case where some folks had their own data encryption tool that they wanted to use to protect sensitive data across their entire data ecosystem. And they were able to use those same extension functions to integrate ALTR's data access controls with their existing decryption API, marrying ALTR's out-of-the-box capabilities with the custom software that they were already using.
Yeah, and we managed to do all this while still making it so simple to get set up with ALTR and define the structures for your policies. Those users were able to get easily set up and running in ALTR on their own and set up their own connections and their first policies. And when they asked us if we had tools, for customization, for functionality and integrations, we already had the points in place for them to be able to define their own logic and drive their own business outcomes.
Right, because one of the great things about ALTR is we're super customer obsessed. We want to know what you're dealing with day to day. We want to know where your pain points are, and we want to identify every way that we can make it easier for ALTR to take some of those pain points off your plate. We're always looking for the next best thing to help you manage your data governance and security.
Yeah, so we hope that answered your question. Please leave a comment with anything you want us to cover next week.